I caught her right-handed.
This is why I'm here.
Yeah.
I'm hungry.
Yeah. So this is how we celebrate our what night? Is they call it what night?
Crossover.
Oh, you're-
Crossover.
me, I'm a Christian. I think I'm not a Christian. This is how we celebrate our
When last
crossover
you
night.
voted?
Hey, I can't remember. I'm sorry. I can't remember when last I went to church. Oh, duh. Okay, so we are out here to buy meat. I think we're gonna try different meats here today. This is my first time coming here. Jenny brought me here. She wanna spoil me, okay? She wanna spoil me. You should know that the friendship is very strong. Yeah, so we're entering 2026, 2026, 2026, 2026. Okay. I'm coming, guys. Okay, so I have to order. I don't know what I want though.
Yeah, this chicken.
Look at this gizzard. This is chicken, sausage, liver.
And then goats. Goats.
That one tastes good. The other one there is good. This is chicken, right?
So what do you want?
I think I will try. Me, I love chicken though.
Okay, so
I will go.
chicken or how many?
No, one chicken. Let me be. I want to mix. Okay, maybe chicken and this. You've been talking about
So
this
one
one.
this,
Yeah.
one chicken.
Yes.
And that's it. You don't want more?
What give me this?
These are
Anna ponche. One. One. How about you? What do you want? You want just two? Hey, Jenny wants to Chinduk. How's that person gonna say Chinduk? You're going to pay us for giving you.
you didn't take this one.
You didn't take this one. You didn't take it.
Two more.
Two. So this is how we are celebrating our crossover night. We didn't go to church. It's not easy. Oh. Please pray for us. We'll be here. We'll help you guys eat all the meat in Accra. Okay, Jenny said they have the best meat here. What can you say about their meat? What can you say about their
That
meat?
was one of the best I've tried.
Okay.
And they are the only people that I know that sell the liver.
Uh-huh.
I like the liver.
Okay. So you've not seen it elsewhere? Just here? No, I've not. Okay. So guys, tell us. Okay.
Kahid kebab.
Okay, Kahid. Okay, it's called Kahid Kebab. Let's see. No, it's Wahid. It's called Wahid. Wahid Kebab. Yeah. So you guys can come grab yours here, okay? I'm going to give you guys the review. This is my first time trying it. I'm going to give you guys the review so you know if this is a good spot to come get yours. They have different varieties. Like, okay, let me introduce it to you again. This is gizzard and this is chicken. This is sausage. Obviously, it's sausage. And this is liver. That's aponche, goat meat, and the other one is aponche. Yeah. As you can see how the place is neat. It's very, very neat. Look at how they are preparing it over there. Very, very neat. So it's a good place. I will give it a thumbs up. Okay. So Jenny, what can you say to them?
Bye.
No.
Happy New Year.
Yeah, Happy New Year. So that's the liver. This is the aponche goat meat. Almighty chicken.
Oh, you be good boy.
It's hot. It's so nice. Well, it's very hot though. Danny is there paying as a rich auntie that she is. Look at her. Rich auntie, thank you. Thanks for treating me. Yes, of course I do. I'm like a baby tonight. Yeah. Look at how beautiful Accra is. Very calm, very calm, babies. Very calm. Oh, Nigerian song, Nigerian song, Nigerian song. I don't want copyright. That's why I'm talking at the same time the music is playing.
The way that place is really clever.
You are the miracle walking God. I told you guys, we are here serving God too. Our crossover night is going to be on the street of Accra. No, but I'm singing church song now. You are the miracle walking God. Hallowed be your name. What's going on here? Lord, you are the most high.
They are planning on
Hallowed be your name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be your name. Lord, you are the most high. Hallowed be your name. These people, they sound Nigerian. All these those people. I think when I see them, people, all these Nigerians, they don't go kill us. People, they go church. Oh, self, I know, say we don't go church, but we went to buy suya, so we go back home and eat. Look at what people do. Look at what our people they do. Hey, I was scared. I thought the car is coming. No, I thought the car was coming my way. So I think I'm gonna end this now. We'll be going to get a drink. So from there we'll go home, eat our meat, and take our drink. Look at cockroach. Look at cockroach are also out celebrating the new year. I got my lizard. I don't even know. I got my chickudi mama. I don't even know. Igbos, what's up? You can correct me if I'm wrong. Going to buy food? Yeah, I'm full. I don't want to be chop. Guys, you won't believe what we are chasing tonight. Oh no, it's New Year. It's New Year. Yeah, that one needs to show very well. We are chasing this. I don't know if you're gonna see it. These fireworks. Now waiting with the chest with that. Which church with this again? When I never finish. It's New Year. Hey, I just got it. Hey, look at Jenny running though for fireworks. Happy New Year! Woo! Have a blissful New Year, guys. Look at how everywhere. look at! Oh my God! Oh, the way Jenny is happy.
What I like. Oh my God! That was.
I think it's coming from Polo Beach Club.
Yeah. Oh my God!
All this one. Yeah. Hey! Oh! Wow. But that one that is doing boom. Yeah. I just love that one. Look at how people decorate their houses for Christmas. Hey, Chado. You be like say una they related to baby Jesus. So. Wow. Look at the lighting in here. It's amazing. I'm telling you. Oh. Why now? Yeah, we missed it. Oh.
Please.
Okay. This building they cover up. I see if I should climb on top.
You
On
can
top
climb,
this.
no, my sister,
Wait,
climb.
I go fit climb.
Don't fall, Sha.
I bet come and film me after the clam. Let us see. Let us see.
It's going to finish or if you are not fast.
Look at me. Just because of fireworks. Yeah. Maybe I might see it better. I bet fireworks come on. I cannot climb here in vain. Look at all those ones. Those ones are not sounding, you know. We just want that one. That one. The big one. The one sounding boom. Oh, you guys should surprise us now.
Yes, we are waiting for it.
I don't tire said to the hold my hand. Oh, Polo Beach Club. Why when I don't stop?
Should we go?
We should go to Polo Beach.
Yes.
They will not allow us to enter.
They will allow us to enter. We can go to the other beach, the Labadi one, and walk down.
Abby, we go carry. Who waiting with that one again? That baby knockout. Look at this one, a baby knockout. This one, the baby knockout.
We went to Seoul. That's the one we see.
Yeah, it's true.
The big one.
But today, dear, we did not plan to see this fireworks. No try. Hey, my hand they pay me safe. Look at where I climb, oh, guys. I said. Hey guys, happy new year to y'all all. Happy new year, happy new year, happy new year to every one of you. May God bless you and bless you and bless you and bless you. I am out with my friend, not out to have fun though, but we're out to watch the fireworks. Yeah, we don't just want to miss anything, especially you guys, to see fireworks in Accra during the new year, right? As you know, people from Ghana don't joke when it comes to celebration. So I'm out here with my friend just to watch the fireworks. All right. I hope you all enjoy this new year. This new year is gonna be better. Look at another one. Why? This that oh. I hope you guys are enjoying watching the fireworks. Like, they have total buildings around here, so it's not letting us see it well though. Look at this one. Woo. Yeah, this from La Palma. I just celebrating there.
Yeah.
Wow, this is like love.
Everywhere, choke. Even the Osu side, everywhere. The sky is just lit. Oh my God, that was cute.
Jenny is here. Tell them happy New Year.
Happy New Year, guys.
So I'm outside enjoying this New Year. Enjoying. See it. The way I'm smiling and enjoying myself tonight, you should know that your year is already filled with